Hey traders, Johnathon here at Forex.com. I've just placed the video on because I'm looking to enter a live setup that's formed on the GBP US dollar daily time frame. Now the setup I'm looking to enter is a pin bar reversal right here. Okay, so it's formed at a swing high. Now quite often we talk about these pin bar reversals, and anyone that's been watching these videos for a while now will know that we're not just looking for a one candle formation, but we're looking for what the price action story is telling us overall. Okay, so we're trying to keep things simple, we're trying to get as many factors in our favor as we can, and then we're trying to execute the plan. Okay, so I'm going to run through this video why this is a good trade to play, and then I'll come back and show you guys how I took profit on this pretty simple trade. The first thing I start to look for is, okay, we've got a pin bar. Is it a valid pin bar? In this case, yes. Okay, so what I mean by that, price has gone up and it has a nice long nose. Okay, then we look for as price opened and closed within the previous candle. So we have the previous candle high, and we can see that price has opened and closed within the previous candle. So it's a valid pin bar. It's a technically valid pin bar. The next thing we start looking for is confluence or other factors that are in the favor of our trade. Okay, key support and resistance levels is the holy grail of Forex. Support and resistance is what the Forex market works off time and time again. Okay, whether they're minor or major, this is what makes the market. The market is rotating in between these levels all day, all week, all month, all year long. Okay, if we look back to the left of the chart, we'll see that I've got this horizontal line marked in. We have all these candle highs. Okay, if we look, we can see that price has been unable to close through this level that I've got marked. So we can see that price has tested these highs and it hasn't been able to close through that level. That tells us on the previous attempt at this level held and price couldn't close through. It's no surprise now to see that the high of this candle also couldn't close through, and now we have this false break pin bar that has made a false move through this, and then we've had sellers to bring price back down, and price has failed to close back through this area again. Okay, so it's telling us something. It's telling us this level is still held. The bears are looking to take control back at this level, and we may see a rotation back lower, and that's what I'm looking for. Okay, now this is a counter trend trade. The most recent term momentum has been higher. We've had higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so for the newer traders, I always advise to stick with the overall and the obvious trends. So they would be looking for short pullbacks here to go long. The people that have had a bit more experience and they're profitable in their trading with the obvious trends, they can start to trade these more advanced setups that form against the obvious trend. So I'll be looking to keep it simple, and I'll be looking to take a short trade when price breaks through the low of this pin bar. I'll be looking to take it short. If we look back to the left we can see that we have a relevant support area coming in close. Okay, so once again you'll see this support area where price has failed to close through, all through here. If we mark a level through there, we mark a support level, we'll just put the level, okay, we'll see that we have support through here. So we might see, if price is able to move lower, we might see the bulls come back in here and look to push higher. I'll come back and discuss in the second part of this video how I've taken profit. I'll talk to you in the second half of this video. Hey guys, so I'm back with the second part of this video just to recap and quickly run through what's happened in the trade. I've now closed the trade out. You'll notice once this pin bar low was broken, price collapsed and it's moved now into this support area. In the first part of this video we discussed this logical first support area, or logical near-term support. We had these highs and these recent highs here, and this is exactly where price has sold off to during the last session. Okay, now I do still think that price has a chance to move a bit lower. However, it's Saturday morning my time now. We've got Monday and then Tuesday's Christmas, so trading is normally pretty thin this time of year, and then the market is closed. So I was happy to get this one and take all the profit off and close out the trade for this year and come back in the new year with a fresh set of eyes. We did see a retrace before price eventually collapsed lower, and this is quite common on reversal trades that are against the trend. So you'll notice that we had all this uptrend that we covered in the first part of this video, and then this reversal pin bar. Okay, after that we had a candle that was not quite inside bar here. Okay, now this is quite common when we're looking for orders to fight back low. Okay, because remember we talk a lot about the bulls and the bears fighting each other. So here we have the bears in control. They push prices back lower, and this almost inside bar is where the bears are slowly gaining control. They're sucking the last of the bulls out of the market before price can break lower. And as I said, you'll notice as soon as price broke through the low of the pin bar, price collapsed lower. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you've enjoyed all the videos for 2012. I hope this year's been a profitable one for you. If you want to learn anything more about price action or price action trading, just jump over to our website at forexschoolonline.com. I hope you have a happy and safe Christmas this year, and I look forward to talking to you in the new year.